Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more informative content. When deciding between financial giants JPMorgan Chase and Citigroup, it's essential to assess your specific needs and preferences. Both institutions are global powerhouses, but their strengths lie in different areas. This video breaks down the key differences to help you make the best choice. JPMorgan Chase shines with its extensive US branch and ATM network, providing unparalleled convenience for individuals and small businesses needing easy access to a full spectrum of financial products. Chase's strength in personal and business credit cards, offering attractive rewards programs and travel benefits, is a major draw for entrepreneurs and growing businesses. Furthermore, Chase offers flexible business loans, robust cash management services, and merchant solutions, making it a top choice for domestic clients seeking reliable daily banking and lending. Their user-friendly mobile and online banking platforms contribute to a seamless digital experience. Citigroup, alternatively, boasts a remarkable global presence, serving customers in over 90 countries. This vast network is invaluable for those requiring international services, including cross-border financial management, foreign exchange, and global market insights. Citigroup is renowned for its premier credit card offerings, particularly those tailored to frequent travelers. They also offer comprehensive wealth management services through Citi Private Bank. While Citigroup's domestic branch network is smaller than Chase's, they are committed to providing a strong mobile and online banking experience. Their digital tools are continuously being upgraded and improved. Regarding fees and rates, both banks offer options to waive monthly charges by maintaining minimum balances or meeting specific activity requirements. Customer service experiences may vary, but both institutions provide multiple support channels, phone, online chat, and dedicated relationship managers for high-net-worth clients. In summary, if your priority is a broad domestic branch network, accessible business banking, and a complete suite of retail and small business products, JPMorgan Chase is likely the better fit. However, if your requirements include global account management, international transactions, or specialized wealth management solutions, Citigroup may be more suitable. Before making your final decision, carefully consider your unique financial objectives and where you require the most support.